are you?
6.
How old are you?
I think
You're Jackie. How old are you? 3. Not 4.
She won't let me put her finger
Put one
down.
finger down.
What? There you go. No. One more. This one up.
Good dancing, Kelly. Okay. So you're 3, right? Can you count to 10 for me? 1, 2. Could you not take enough video? You know, it'd be funny like if the roof fell down. We could probably then send it into America's Home Videos or Funniest Home Video, but
You're the fan.
It's just like this. This is no good. Do something like, I don't know. Michael Jackson died today. Can you dance like him? Fall over dead. Oh, that was tactless.
He's going to a coma.
Oh, you have to go into a coma first.
Well, I'll just stop breathing like that.
Boom. There's my Jackie. Here's Shannon. Shannon got her makeup done today. So did Mommy.
Yep.
Oops, I'm getting kicked by Jackie. Hey, don't do that. You pill. Jackie is 3. Very, very 3.